Let's test bought versus made chicken nuggets. Starting off by blending diced chicken with an egg, salt and pepper. We made sure not to blend it too much as it gets thin, and we added some flour to thicken it out again. It's the right consistency when you can tip it upside down. We coated it in corn flour and made our nugget shapes, throwing it in the freezer for an hour. And for our batter we added flour, egg, garlic powder, onion powder and mustard powder, followed in with some seasoning and MSG. We then whisked this together with some water, and it's quite a runny consistency. Preparing our oil at 170 degrees Celsius and dipping them into our batter. And finally you want to cook them until they're golden brown in colour. So there is our homemade chicken nugget. I've got to say, I think that looks pretty good. Let's try the original one first to remind ourselves of the flavour. Chickeny, bready, tastes like a chicken nugget. Let's try our one now.